Now, this is a home in Georgia. It is a track style home, semi-custom, I guess. But I just wanted to show you this listing so that you could see that it is over $500,000, and you can be just as underwhelmed as I am. Okay, you're thinking of building your own kitchen island, and you're thinking, I can't do that. There's no way. These professionals just do such a good job. I'll never be able to recreate what they do. So while this is not a $500,000 kitchen island, this is a kitchen island in a $500,000 house. And I'll be honest with you, I was a little underwhelmed when I saw it. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you the listing of the $500,000 house that's here in Georgia. And it's in a huge neighborhood with multi-million-dollar houses in there. And I just, I can't help but think this is the best you get with $500,000. So, look, if you think you can't build your own kitchen island, think again. You can do it yourself and probably do a better job and be just as happy. Okay, I'm not one to be a negative Nancy, and this island's not a bad island. The house is not a bad house. I just was really surprised because this is a huge neighborhood, very expensive neighborhood. And when I walked in, the island just was not what I was expecting in some of the other houses that I've done. This is what I normally see in, they're still expensive houses. Don't get me wrong, I couldn't afford one, but they're just, I see these all the time. I was just expecting something different in this neighborhood. I guess maybe my expectations were a little higher than they should have been, and I was a little underwhelmed by it. But I wanted to show you guys, the reason I did this was not to be the negative Nancy. What I was wanting to show you is you can build a kitchen island just like this. I mean, this is not hard to do. I know the island that you see me build is, pre-made cabinets, blah, blah, blah. But they're not much different than these cabinets right here, to be honest with you. There's not much difference to them at all. So just know that you can build a kitchen island too, and it be just as impressive, and it can almost mirror or be better than what you see in $500,000 houses. So stop thinking that you can't build something, that you can't do it because you don't have the experience. This right here proves that you can compete with a $500,000 house with some simple plans on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Leave me some comments down here below. See you.